Meet Fiona Motor, a second grader working on fine motor skills in OT. Her IEP goal: cut along a straight line within a quarter inch of accuracy. I can add formal short term objectives or informal skill areas to help capture any data I need to help track progress toward mastery. With Kit, it's easy to capture the data I need with flexible tracking tools, customizable scoring, and visual graphs and reports that help me monitor progress over time. In this first session, Fiona needed full support and cut more than an inch off of the line. That's okay, it's our baseline. In Kit, I can log her trial count, level of assistance, and take quick notes right there in the moment. By session two, Fiona needed less help. She cut closer to the line on most trials and started using her helper hand more independently. Tracking this progress takes seconds and tells a bigger story than just a plus or minus ever could. By session three, we're seeing growth. Fiona used a mature grasp, cut within a quarter inch, and even self corrected during the task. Data is entered once, and I can see change over time by skill, session, and support level. Want to attach a planned activity or work sample to your session? While Kit doesn't support direct file or photo uploads yet, you can still add visuals. Just snap a pic, upload it to Google Drive, and paste the link into your session plan or wrap up. It's super easy, and now you've got a visual record right where you need it. Kit Speaks OT. Whether you're tracking assistance levels, grasp patterns, or queuing strategies, you can monitor it in a way that makes sense for you. And if you or your team use your own scoring or terminology, you can customize how calculators appear in each session. Kit simplifies what you're already doing, tracking goals, taking notes, and showing measurable growth. And unlike the old way of juggling sticky notes, student folders, and Google Sheets that don't actually show progress, you'll have no paper binders, no double entry for Medicaid billing, and no scrambling to find work samples before an IEP meeting. Whether you're documenting in the moment or right after the session while it's still fresh, Kit makes it easy to capture what matters. With just a click, you can copy notes for Medicaid billing or pull a report for an IEP meeting. And best of all, you've got clean, clear, defensible data all in one place. Look at you. When your data's in one place and working for you, not against you, everything gets a little easier. If you're juggling goals, service minutes, and messy data, Kit was made for you. Start your 14-day free trial, no credit card required. Sign up at kitforteams.com/OT because let's be real, every OT deserves a work bestie.